तो मैं ये कह रहा था स्टीनर्स थ्योरम क्या कह रहे हैं, अगर कोई भी सेट है जिसका लिबेक मेजर पॉजिटिव है, फिर ये जो डिफरेंस है अलजेब्राइक डिफरेंस, दिस कंटेन्स एट लीस्ट इंटरवल है, ये इंटरवल को कंटेन कर रहा है। इन जनरल ई तो नहीं कर रहा कंटेन अगर ई का लिबेक मेजर पॉजिटिव, बट दिस वन इट कंटेन्स इंटरवल। तो उसको प्रूव करने के लिए सबसे पहले हम एक लेमा करेंगे। सो लेट्स फर्स्ट स्टेट दैट लेमा। और ये सिर्फ अभी आर एन के लिए ट्रू है, इन जनरल बनाम स्पेस वहाँ पर हो या ना हो दैट्स आई डोंट नो, बट एटलीस्ट इट्स ट्रू फॉर फाइनाइट डायमेंशनल स्पेस। So let's first state this lemma in order to prove the Steenhuy's theorem. Then after that we'll state the theorem and prove. Let E be a subset of Rn. Let E be a subset of Rn such that its Lebesgue measure is positive. Such that Lebesgue measure of E is positive. Okay. Now, then for each epsilon which lies between 0 and 1, then for each 0 less than epsilon less than 1, कोई भी epsilon positive which lies between 0 and 1, what can we do? There exists a neighborhood, there exists a bounded open interval. There exists a bounded open interval I of Rn such that this holds epsilon times Lebesgue measure of I. This is less than Lebesgue measure of E intersection I. Yes. Okay, prove this lemma. So we first assume that Lebesgue measure of E is positive, infinite. Okay, assume that Lebesgue measure of E is finite. Assume it's finite. Okay. Now we claim that we can choose we can choose a सीक्वेंस, हम एक सीक्वेंस चूज कर सकते हैं, सीक्वेंस ऑफ bounded intervals, open bounded intervals of bounded open intervals such that इन इंटरवल्स की प्रॉपर्टी क्या है, सच दैट ई इज सबसेट ऑफ द यूनियन, मतलब ये ई को कवर कर रहे हैं ये ओपन इंटरवल्स. This is union I runs from 1 to infinity. Okay, this is union I runs from 1 to infinity. And one more property, epsilon times summation, this sum I runs from 1 to infinity, Lebesgue measure of I, this thing it's less than Lebesgue measure of E. तो सबसे पहले हम ये क्लेम करते थे इसको. We can choose a sequence of bounded open intervals I such that E is subset of union I and epsilon times this is satisfying this inequality. Suppose if it's not the case, then for any sequence of bounded open intervals with E subset of the union, we have the reverse inequality. Epsilon times this sum will be greater or equal to Lebesgue measure of E. Okay. So if it's not the case, if it is not the case, not the case, then for any sequence I of bounded intervals such that E is subset of the union I runs from 1 to infinity, we must have this epsilon times summation I runs from 1 to infinity, Lebesgue measure of I will be greater or equal to Lebesgue measure of E. So let's apply this. This is true for any sequence II. Let's apply the infimum. This implies epsilon times the infimum of summation I runs from 1 to infinity, Lebesgue measure of II, such that II is a bounded interval, is a bounded open interval, bounded open interval, and E is subset of the union I runs from 1 to infinity. Then this epsilon times this आपने इस पर infimum अप्लाई किया, infimum over these sums, this will also be greater or equal to Lebesgue measure of E. But now this infimum, because you are taking the infimum of sums over those subbounded open intervals which covers E, so it means that this infimum is actually the Lebesgue measure of E. So that implies epsilon times Lebesgue measure of E will be greater or equal to Lebesgue measure of E. And this, since Lebesgue measure of E is positive, so this gives epsilon will be greater or equal to 1, which is not the case, which is a contradiction, as 0 less than epsilon less than 1, which is a contradiction, as 0 less than epsilon less than 1. Okay, which is a contradiction, which is a contradiction, as 0 less than epsilon less than 1. So therefore there exists a sequence II of bounded intervals such that this E is subset of union I runs from 1 to infinity, and this thing epsilon times summation I runs from 1 to infinity, Lebesgue measure of I will be less than Lebesgue measure of E. तो ये हमने कर दिया आपको. There is such sequence. Now to complete the proof, we show that there exists I. To complete the proof, we show that there exists some bounded open interval I among this sequence जो आपने ऑलरेडी निकाली है ना I, जिसकी प्रॉपर्टी है, इनमें से एक इंटरवल आप निकाल सकते हो. there exists I such that epsilon times Lebesgue measure of I this is less than Lebesgue measure of E intersection I. ये है, ये आप कर सकते हो. Again we prove it the inductive method. We show that if it's not true, then for each I epsilon times Lebesgue measure of I is greater than, okay. So for if, suppose this is not true, so for if this holds, it's reverse equation. For if, and for each I, for if epsilon times Lebesgue measure of I is greater than Lebesgue measure of E intersection I for each I, हर किसी I, for each I you can see small I, or for each I. Right. So this is greater or equal, okay, greater or equal. Now let us see this. Now Lebesgue measure of E, this is equal to Lebesgue measure of E intersection union I, because we know that this E is subset of the union I, okay. This is equal to Lebesgue measure of, now you can apply this is union E intersection the distributive law, I runs from 1 to infinity. Now you can apply sub additive property. It's less or equal to summation I runs from 1 to infinity Lebesgue measure of E intersection II. But for each II you have this Lebesgue measure of E intersection II is less or equal to Lebesgue measure of epsilon times. So it's less or equal to epsilon times Lebesgue, this summation I runs from 1 to infinity Lebesgue measure of II. Which is a contradiction, because we have chosen this sequence in such a way that epsilon times this sum is less than Lebesgue measure of E, which contradicts. आप उसको स्टार नाम रख सकते, जो आपने अभी प्रूव किया ना, इससे पहले जो आपने प्रूव किया, जो क्लेम आपने इससे पहले एस्टेब्लिश की है, उसका नाम आप स्टार रख सकते हो. जहां पर आपने ये प्रूव किया epsilon times summation I runs from 1 to infinity Lebesgue measure of I is less than Lebesgue measure of P, उसका नाम आप स्टार रख दीजिए. which contradicts star, which contradicts star, which contradicts star. So therefore there is some I, there is some I with this property, with the property हमने अभी mention की है. So therefore there exists I bounded open interval, bounded open interval such that this Lebesgue epsilon times Lebesgue measure of I, यही तो आपको प्रूव करना था. आपके पास बाउंडेड इंटरवल आना चाहिए विद दिस प्रॉपर्टी Lebesgue measure of E intersection I. तो ये आपने प्रूव किया है, ठीक है. अगर ये उसी केस में आपने प्रूव किया अगर Lebesgue measure of E फाइनाइट होगा. नाउ इन केस Lebesgue measure of E is equal to infinity, okay, अगर वो infinity होगा, then in that case we define BK. What are these BK? They are actually the balls which are centered at 0. Those elements are in such that their distance from 0 is less or equal to k. They are closed balls, okay, of radius k. So then you can see this Rn is actually the union of these balls. K runs from 1 to infinity, and this obviously contains E because E is subset of Rn. Now this one, now you can see this E intersection BK जो है, it is subset of E. ये E का subset है और ये subset है Rn का, और ये measurable भी है because E is measurable, BK is measurable. और इसका जो Lebesgue measure है, Lebesgue measure of E intersection BK जो है, it is finite. तो इसके लिए एटलीस्ट रिजल्ट ट्रू है, क्योंकि अभी हमने प्रूव किया जो भी सेट होगा जिसका Lebesgue measure पॉजिटिव होगा, और इसका Lebesgue measure obviously पॉजिटिव है. So there is some case that the Lebesgue measure of E intersection BK is positive. This is true for all k, okay, and Lebesgue measure this is for each k greater or equal to 1, less than infinity, because Lebesgue measure of E intersection BK is less or equal to Lebesgue measure of BK. BK is a closed ball of radius k, so its Lebesgue measure is finite. So this is true. E intersection BK जो ये सेट है इसका Lebesgue measure फाइनाइट है. अब हमें एंश्योर ये करना है कि क्या कोई E intersection BK है जिसका Lebesgue measure पॉजिटिव है, तो तब जाके हम केस 1 यूज कर सकते हैं. Also Lebesgue measure of E intersection BK is positive for some k. किसी न किसी k के लिए पॉजिटिव होगा है. For if अगर ये सपोज हर किसी के लिए 0 होगा, for if Lebesgue measure of E intersection BK is 0 for all k, then you can see this Lebesgue measure of E, it's equal to Lebesgue measure of E intersection union BK. K runs from 1 to infinity because this is the whole Rn, and you can apply sub-additive property. This is less or equal to summation K runs from 1 to infinity Lebesgue measure of. This is a very simple. You can do it easily. सिर्फ ये कैलकुलेशंस आपको करनी है. So this one, this is a E intersection BK, but what's Lebesgue measure of E intersection BK for each k? It is 0 जो आपने मान लिया था. So this will be equal to 0, which implies that Lebesgue measure of E is 0, which is a contradiction. क्योंकि Lebesgue measure of E जो है ना वो पॉजिटिव है, which is a contradiction. So thus there exists K such that 0 less than Lebesgue measure of E intersection BK less than, this is a finite. Now by first case, for this B, इसके लिए कोई इंटरवल एक्सिस्ट होगा. by case 1, now by case 1 we can conclude that there exists a bounded open interval I of Rn such that, जो इसके लिए एक्सिस्ट होगा, such that Lebesgue measure such that epsilon times Lebesgue measure of the interval will be less than Lebesgue measure of the set, जिस set की आप बात कर रहे हैं, A intersection BK, but its intersection with the interval I, and this thing is less than Lebesgue measure of E, or you can say less or equal to, in fact less or equal to E intersection I. So thus we have shown that epsilon times Lebesgue measure of I is less than Lebesgue measure of E intersection I for the set E also, अगर इसका Lebesgue measure infinite भी हो. इसके लिए भी हमने इसको प्रूव कर दिया. तो ये था प्रूफ इस लेमा का. तो लेमा आपने क्या किया, अगर आपके पास गिवन सेट होगा E जिसका Lebesgue मेजर पॉजिटिव होगा, तो हर किसी भी एप्सिलॉन के लिए जो 0 और 1 के दरमियान होगा, आप एक बाउंडेड ओपन इंटरवल निकाल सकते हो I such that epsilon times Lebesgue measure of I is less than Lebesgue measure of E intersection I. तो ये आपने कर दिया प्रूव. तो यही रिजल्ट हमने स्टेनहास थ्योरम में अप्लाई करना. दिस रिजल्ट we have to apply this result in our Steenhaus theorem. So Steenhaus theorem, so what's Steenhaus theorem? The statement is if E is a Lebesgue measurable subset of Rn, if E is a Lebesgue measurable subset of Rn such that its Lebesgue measure is positive, such that Lebesgue measure of E is positive, then 0 vector is an interior point of, then 0 vector is an interior point of the set E minus E. तो ये इसका इंटीरियर पॉइंट का मतलब क्या है, 0 के अराउंड एक इंटरवल खड़ा होगा, 0 के अराउंड विच इज कंटेन्ड इन E माइनस E. तो यही इंटीरियर पॉइंट का मतलब है. इसका प्रूफ हम कल करेंगे नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में. तो आज के लिए बहुत